Hello students, welcome to my channel Technical Suren. So first of all, I am going to excited to represent you the new topic named coordinate geometry. So first of all, before starting coordinate geometry, I am going to show you about the how this Cartesian plane become in the world. So first of all, going to the coordinate geometry or Cartesian plane, I want to explain what is the basic origin of this plane, how this plane come in the world. So first of all, as you learned in the previous classes about the number line chapter you have learned in the class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, all classes the number line you know. So tell me, if you want to mark a point 2 on the number line, what you do? So you say me, sir, for the 2 point mark on the number line, I will make a number line like this, and this is the origin 0, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, like this going. This is when we go left hand side, this is -1, -2, -3. So to mark the point 2 on the number line, we will make a dot point here, and this will represent the 2 number here. So number line have two types. First number line is horizontal line, and second number line is vertical line. Okay, so horizontal line is like this and vertical line like this. When we make together these line like this is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line, this will become a Cartesian plane. So I think you can get my point. When we meet together two lines, the x-axis means horizontal line and the y-axis means the vertical line. So when two number lines, x-axis means horizontal line, y-axis means vertical lines, meet together and form a Cartesian plane. Okay, so suppose that in this Cartesian plane we have to mark a point named B. So how can we reach the point B? In the number line we go 1 point, 1 distance, then second distance, and mark the point 2. Same as in the coordinate in the Cartesian plane, we have an information like x comma y. This information gives us we have to go x distance on the horizontal line or x axis, x distance on horizontal or x axis. Y coordinate means we have to go vertical distance 2, 3, whatever is given in the question. So I am going to show an example here. So suppose we have to mark a point 3, 2 on a Cartesian plane. So what we do, we make a horizontal or a vertical line like this. This is the horizontal line called x-axis in the Cartesian plane. This is the vertical line called y-axis in the Cartesian plane. So first of all, here 3 means x and y 2. So first of all, we go on the x-axis. How much distance? Here is given 3 distance. So we will mark here 0, 1, 2, 3. We come this point and we will stop in this point. Now we see how much distance on the vertical axis or y-axis. Here 2 is given, so we will go 1, 2. So this is our required point B, 3, 2. So by this we can go this point 3, 2. Okay, so this is our required. Suppose I am going to show another example, like you have to go 2, 3 on the vertical plane. So what we do, we draw a horizontal line called x-axis and vertical line called y-axis. So we will go 0, 1, 2 on the x-axis and 3 point up, because here plus 3 is given. If no sign is given, then we consider it plus. So here, so this is 2, 3. Okay, now come to the distance formula. So distance formula is what? Suppose you are standing here and your friend is standing here. So the minimum distance between you and A and B and you and your friend, the minimum distance that you can approach your friend and your friend can approach you is called the distance formula, by which path you can approach each other, minimum distance. So this is called distance. So for the Cartesian coordinate geometry, for the distance formula, we have a approach. So we will go here. So first of all, the distance between 2 points on which are on the same axis, x-axis or y-axis, is given the difference between their coordinate. So first of all, understand what is saying here. First of all, understand this. So I am going to show you, suppose this is the x-axis or horizontal line, and this is the y-axis called what? Vertical line. So you have to, I am repeating again and again, horizontal line, vertical line, because you have to remember horizontal line means x-axis, vertical line means y-axis. So here he is saying that suppose this is the point 2 called A point, and this is the point 4 called B point. Okay, so what is the distance between A and B point? So what you do, you will go on this point B point is 4 and A point is 2. So you say me, sir, to approach B to A, we have to move 2 points on left hand side. Okay, and to approach B from A, we have to go 2 points on the right hand side. So the left hand side or right hand side distance will be equal, but the direction will be opposite. So the minimum distance between these coordinates is 2. So here also the distance between 2 points which are on the same axis, x-axis or y-axis, is given by the difference of their coordinate. To find the distance between AB, what we do, we subtract 4 minus 2. So here 4 minus 2 is 2. And we can also, AB is equal to 2 minus 4. No problem, here minus 2 will appear. But the distance can never be negative. Distance is always showing the directions. Not with the distance will be the negative. Distance will be always positive. So on the same y-axis, suppose you have a point on this y-axis, A point is 1 and B point is 2. So to find the distance AB, what we do, we subtract the coordinate of B means 2 and coordinate of A is minus and A coordinate is 1. So the distance is 1. So this is here explained in this figure. Suppose we have to find the distance AB. So A point is here 6 and B point is here minus 2. To find the distance A and B, what we do, for AB, we subtract the distance. A is 6 plus 6 and B is the difference, and B is also minus 2. So we add a small bracket here and the distance is 2. We can also check here minus 2. So if we move from minus 2 to plus 6, we have to move one distance to minus 1 and one again distance 0. So 2 distance here and 6 unit here we have to move. So the distance is 6 plus 2 is 8, correct? Now to measure the distance between C and D, what we do, this is the C point, this is the D point. So CD is 4. 4 is the x-axis coordinate and minus 8 is the also x-axis coordinate. So minus 8. So this will be total 12. So this is the minimum distance between 2 points. Now we have to find a distance formula, distance between 2 points, using Pythagoras theorem. So this is the interesting theorem you have learned in the class 8th. Okay, so this is the very interesting. Here we apply the Pythagoras, what we learn in the trigonometric section. So first of all, see here we have 2 points on the x-axis and y-axis. Suppose we have a P point which coordinate is given to us x1 comma y1, and the Q point is given to us x2 comma y2. So we have to find the minimum distance between 2 points. So I will explain this topic in the next lecture. So first of all, revision this what we learned today. This is the basic information. This is a very short lecture to you. In the next lecture we will cover the Pythagoras theorem, by the Pythagoras theorem, using the Pythagoras theorem to find the distance between 2 points. So I am very excited to teach you the next session. So first of all, complete this session and thanks for watching.